Welcome to Paimaglass, Dubai's premier glass and aluminium solutions provider. In this video, we'll showcase our high-quality products and services tailored for homeowners, contractors, and businesses in the UAE seeking to elevate their interiors. Explore Paimaglass's advantage.
Paimaglass offers a wide range of glass and aluminium products, from LED light mirrors to bespoke aluminium doors and windows. Our products are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your UAE home or business, blending innovation with style.
One of our most popular products is our LED light mirrors. These energy-efficient mirrors provide a sleek and modern touch, transforming bathrooms, living spaces, and commercial areas across Dubai. With adjustable brightness settings and easy installation at Paimaglass.
Seeing a growing demand for aluminium windows and doors in the UAE, Paimaglass is committed to providing custom solutions for residential and commercial projects. Our expert craftsmanship ensures durability and style, meeting the needs of Dubai's dynamic property market.
At Paimaglass, we prioritize customer satisfaction and timely service. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to delivering seamless installations and exceptional customer support. We are here to guide you through every step of your project, from product selection to maintenance tips.
Paimaglass transformed my Dubai home with stunning LED light mirrors. Now, my bathroom feels like a luxury retreat.
As a contractor in the UAE, I turn to Paimaglass for all my glass and aluminium needs. The quality and customer service are unparalleled.
Thank you for discovering the Paimaglass difference with us. For more information on our products and services, visit our website or connect with us on social media. We look forward to helping you enhance your Dubai and UAE interiors with our innovative glass and aluminium solutions. See you in the next video.